Here is a short guide on how to digitize this skeleton hand into a 3D model using Artec Studio AI Photogrammetry. I have filmed this object in a dome trajectory in a single position, and now it is time for import. You can drag and drop the folder with photos into Artec Studio and they will appear in the workspace. You can double-click them and view all of the photos that you have imported. Go to Tools, Create Preview, and here, set the static scene for the photoset capture setup. It is a proper mode because I have filmed the object by walking around it and I have not moved the object itself. Then, go to the advanced settings and here I disable the fast processing to get a better reconstruction. You could keep it enabled if you would like faster processing. Now, I run the algorithm. Once the algorithm is completed, you will see a preview in the viewport. Now, I am going to double-click the photo scan and adjust the bounding box. My idea here is to exclude all of the unnecessary adjacent geometry and leave only my object inside. So, basically, everything that is highlighted in green is going to be reconstructed, everything else is going to be ignored. You can use the navigation cube in order to fine-tune your bounding box. Now, go to Tools, Create Model, and here set the processing mode to AI. It works the best for small to medium objects. I'm going to set the detail to Enhanced to get the best geometry results, but it will take longer in comparison with the normal detail mode. Then, I make sure that the Extract Object from Background option is unchecked. It is the correct mode because I have not moved the object. Now, it is time to run the algorithm. Here is our completed model. You can inspect it in the viewport, you can rotate it around and see the geometry result that you've got. I will go to Editor, Eraser, and pick the polygons that I would like to delete. Here, I would like to separate the object from the background and remove the base manually. Once the model is cleaned up, I will go to Tools, Mesh Optimization, and run the algorithm. It heals the artifacts on the mesh and reduces the poly count. Reducing the poly count makes the mesh sparser, but tries to regain the original quality of the mesh. Let's texture the model. I will use the default settings. And here is our results, ready for export. Let's export our model. Right-click it in the workspace, go to Export, Export Meshes. Here set the target directory that the model is going to be saved in, specify the model and texture export format, specify the custom export name if you'd like, and then click OK. Congratulations, your first model is ready and exported.